President Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Bah Vincent H pala pynpaw ya jingsngewlem ya yingkhlad halor Jingkhlad Noh Salseng C Marak Myntri Rangbah barim Meghalaya bala shakri snem lynter Myntri Rangbah Jylla naduh snem khandai spa khandai phulai haduh snem khandai spa khandai prana Seng Congress. Salseng ulalong banyngkong banbat ya shuki Myntri Rangbah snem lynter. Shwa kine snem Myntri Rangbah Meghalaya shah pynkhyllem tang shiteng por. Salseng C Marak Khlad Noh step jangka Garo Hills Tura Civil Hospital hagarta Bah snem. Bah Vincent thu ba Salseng C Marak ubriu balapaw bha hakasan perthai Jylla Meghalaya. Mikmat ya Subel para constituency bola job haduh election arjar khatlai. Nakaliang kinoilam bagi dekot ke MPCC kinit shiminta jinglek buram haduh ya met jong Salseng C Marak yingsa jong Subel para not Garo Hills District. Myntri Rangbah konrat kisang mau lapha ya Kyrwoh Sngewlem yingkesem jong unong ya lampai ba bedonam narilom Garo.
We got a news today in the morning that Salseng C Marak is no more, and we are shocked actually. Today, before we started the meeting also, we expressed our condolences to the family as a team, as a party. We are sending the message to the family. But on behalf of the party and on behalf of myself, I would like to express my condolence to the entire family. Salseng was a chief minister. Salseng was president of the party. Salseng was always in the minds and hearts of the Congress workers. So his death has sent a shock to all of us. We missed him, but we hope that God will grace a solemn for him, and at the same time, their family also will be able to bear the losses. I am going tomorrow, and all of us today who are ready to go, are free to go, will go. So Devara already gone. Sukhem is going now after some times. So many of us will go for his funeral. Thank you.
We heard the news today of the demise of former Chief Minister, late Salseng Marak, and this news has come as a shock, and also we are deeply saddened by this particular news, and it is definitely a great loss to the family members of late Salseng Marak, to his people, and it is also a great loss to the state as a whole. Mr. Salseng Marak has served for a full five-year term as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but beyond that also in many positions and different capacity he has served the people of his constituency and the people of the state, and it's been, as I said, a great loss to the state, as he has contributed in many ways to the people and to the state as a whole. At this point in time, I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family members, and pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members and to His people to bear this great loss that they've had, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal peace. Thank you.